Oh, hello. It's Naomi back with the Tranky Do Week 2. We reviewed blah, blah, blah. New stuff. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Shorty George. 3, 5, 6, 7. Boogie back. Shorty George. Remember, this is a half break. 8, 1, 2, and 3. Down, up, down, up. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. Hey, we didn't do all this, but I told you I would video it so that if you wanted to, you could slow it down. Check that gear icon, the gear icon, and see if you want to get ahead of the game. That's it.